everyone, welcome back. This mindfulness practice today is about being curious of our senses. This practice doesn't require any prerequisite, and everyone is welcome here. Being aware of our senses and anchoring into our senses is our third exploration of how to bring our mind back, how to come back to the present moment. We've looked at mindfulness of the breath, mindfulness of the body, as a way to bring our attention back to the present moment, to bring ourselves back to the present moment. And today, we are exploring how we can do that using our senses. Our goal here is to just offer you different ways for you to find a pause, maybe a moment of connection with yourself, with your body, some self-awareness, and a little time for some well-being and self-care during your day. So in offering you a variety of ways to bring yourself back to the present moment, we are hoping that some of those techniques really resonate with you and that you will incorporate it into your daily life. So mindfulness of the senses is particularly interesting because you can use it anywhere. Today we're going to start with mindfulness of hearing. And that is a practice you can do in an office, in a classroom, when you have a lot of noise, but you need a little moment. You can anchor into the sounds and come to the present moment in that way. So I will start with a bell and I will end with a bell, so you know if your eyes are closed or you are lost in your thoughts. I can guarantee you will be many times during these few minutes. The bell will bring you back, so you know that will be the end of our time together. And if you find that the whole time your mind was wandering, that's okay. Just try again and keep bringing your mind back. In addition to senses, the value that we are going to just keep our attention on a little bit too today is pausing, creating space. So let's get started. Starting with a deep breath in and a deep breath out. It can be through your nose, through your mouth. I like to close my eyes, but you're always welcome to leave your eyes open. Breathing in, breathing out. Noticing your feet on the ground, your legs touching the chair, your back touching the chair. Hearing. Let's bring awareness to the whole orchestra right now. All of the noises, all of the sound that are coming into your ears. We're having a wide angle, a wide focus on sounds. The sounds that are far away and the sounds that are nearby. And now let's narrow that focus to maybe just one sound. And now let's narrow that focus a little bit more to sounds within our body. That is hard to hear. Maybe your breath, maybe the sound of yourself swallowing. Let's see what you can hear. Interesting. What was it like to listen in this way? You can do that while you listen to music, listening to the whole orchestra and then narrowing down to just one instrument or tone. Let's open our eyes softly, and in the same way, can we take in the whole room? We don't have to bring any stories into seeing. You'll notice that your mind or your eyes lands on something and it triggers a story, and that is totally normal. See if you can just bring the sight. Maybe you can trace what you're seeing. Maybe you can look at patterns and colors. And then narrowing that focus to just one object or one texture or one curve. Seeing. Mindfulness of hearing and seeing can be done when you go for a walk, when you're driving and your mind is racing, and you can say hearing and focus on the things you hear with a wide angle and narrower angle and within you. Seeing things with a wide angle, a wider focus, narrower focus, and then even seeing yourself breathe as we've done before. When we are focusing on an anchor, like our senses, there is no battle in our mind, like it can be when we are thinking. We can create a pause a couple times during our day to be in the present moment and to be connecting to ourselves and to our environment through our senses. Let's finish with our breath, breathing in through our nose, breathing out, and one more, breathing in, breathing out. Thank you for being curious of mindfulness of your senses today.